Creating a compelling pitch deck is essential for effectively communicating your business idea to potential investors or stakeholders. Here's a guide and points to help you structure your pitch deck. Introduction. Start with a compelling title slide, including your company name and logo. Include a tagline or brief description of your business. Problem statement. Clearly articulate the problem or pain point your product or service addresses. Use data and examples to highlight the significance of the problem. Solution. Present your product or service as the solution to the identified problem. Highlight key features and benefits. Use visuals like images or infographics to make it more engaging. Market opportunity. Define the target market and its size. Showcase market trends and potential for growth. Explain how your solution meets market needs. Business model. Explain how your company plans to make money. Outline pricing strategy, sales channels, and revenue streams. Traction and milestones. Highlight key achievements and milestones reached. Showcase customer testimonials, partnerships, or notable metrics. Provide evidence of market validation. Competitive landscape. Identify key competitors and their strengths/weaknesses. Explain your unique selling proposition, USP, and competitive advantage. Go-to-market strategy. Outline your plan for reaching and acquiring customers. Describe sales and marketing strategies. Include distribution channels and partnerships. Team. Introduce key team members, emphasizing relevant experience. Showcase key advisors or partners. Highlight the team's skills and qualifications. Financials. Present key financial projections, including revenue, expenses, and profitability. Provide a breakdown of how you'll use the investment funds. Be transparent about assumptions and variables. Funding ask. Clearly state the amount of funding you are seeking. Specify how you will use the funds. Highlight the expected return on investment, ROI, for investors. Exit strategy. Discuss potential exit options for investors. Include examples of successful exits in similar industries. Appendix. Include any additional information, charts, or graphs that support your presentation. Back up key points with relevant data. Contact information. Provide clear contact details for follow-up questions. Remember to keep the pitch deck concise, visually appealing, and focused on the most critical information. Practice delivering your pitch confidently to ensure a successful presentation. Benefits of pitch deck. A well-crafted pitch deck offers several benefits for entrepreneurs seeking investment or partnerships. Here are some key advantages. Clear communication. A pitch deck helps you succinctly communicate your business idea, goals, and value proposition to potential investors and stakeholders. Engagement and interest. Visual elements and a structured presentation capture the audience's attention, increasing the likelihood that they will stay engaged and interested in your business. Memorability. A compelling pitch deck makes your business memorable, making it easier for investors to recall your key points and differentiate your company from others. Investor understanding. A well-organized pitch deck helps investors quickly understand the problem you are solving, your solution, and the market opportunity, leading to faster and more informed investment decisions. Validation of business concept. Creating a pitch deck requires thorough research and analysis, which can help validate your business concept and strategy. This validation is crucial for gaining investor confidence. Showcasing traction. Through key metrics, customer testimonials, and milestones, a pitch deck allows you to showcase your company's traction and achievements, providing evidence of market acceptance and demand. Highlighting competitiveness. Clearly presenting your competitive advantage and unique selling points helps investors understand why your business stands out in the market. Investor confidence. A well-prepared pitch deck demonstrates your preparedness and professionalism, instilling confidence in potential investors regarding your ability to manage and grow the business. Strategic planning. Crafting a pitch deck forces you to think strategically about your business model, market positioning, and growth plans, leading to a more robust overall business strategy. Facilitating conversations. The pitch deck serves as a conversation starter, providing a structured framework for discussions during meetings with investors, potential partners, or advisors. Efficient fundraising. A concise and persuasive pitch deck streamlines the fundraising process by providing investors with the essential information needed to make initial investment decisions. Demonstrating financial viability. The financial projections and use of funds section in a pitch deck help investors assess the financial viability of your business and the potential return on their investment. Building trust. A well-prepared pitch deck, combined with a confident and knowledgeable presentation, builds trust with investors, increasing the likelihood of securing funding or partnerships. Adaptability. A pitch deck is a versatile tool that can be adapted for various purposes, including investor meetings, networking events, and competitions, allowing you to effectively communicate your business idea in different contexts. In summary, a pitch deck is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs, serving as a comprehensive and persuasive document that can significantly impact the success of fundraising efforts and business development initiatives. How to create a pitch deck in 2024. Creating a pitch deck in 2024 involves combining traditional best practices with any emerging trends or changes in presentation styles. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective pitch deck. Start with a strong story. Craft a compelling narrative that outlines the problem, solution, and the journey of your company. Storytelling can capture the audience's attention and make your pitch memorable. Mobile-friendly design. Consider that many people may view your pitch deck on mobile devices. Ensure your design is responsive and elements are easily readable on smaller screens. Use visuals and infographics. Incorporate visually appealing elements like infographics, charts, and images to convey complex information. Visuals can enhance understanding and engagement. Short and sweet. Keep your pitch deck concise. Aim for 15 to 20 slides, focusing on the most critical information. Investors often have limited time, and a concise presentation increases the likelihood of engagement. Data privacy and security. If applicable, address data privacy and security concerns in your pitch, especially if your business deals with sensitive information. Emphasize the measures you have in place to protect user data. Sustainability and social impact. Highlight any sustainability initiatives or social impact aspects of your business. Investors increasingly consider the broader impact of a company beyond financial returns. Interactive elements, if applicable. Depending on the platform or medium you use to present your pitch, consider incorporating interactive elements. This could include clickable prototypes, embedded videos, or interactive charts. AI and automation. If your business involves AI or automation, showcase how these technologies play a crucial role in your product or service. Highlight efficiency gains and improvements driven by technology. Remote collaboration features. Given the prevalence of remote work, consider incorporating features that showcase your adaptability to remote collaboration. This could include virtual team dynamics, online collaboration tools, or remote customer engagement strategies. Blockchain and decentralization, if relevant. If your business involves blockchain or decentralized technologies, clearly explain how these components work and contribute to the success of your product or service. Real-time data integration. If possible, showcase real-time data integration in your pitch deck. This could involve live demonstrations of your product or the seamless integration of real-time market data into your projections. Global perspective. If your business has a global focus, highlight international aspects in terms of market reach, partnerships, or cultural considerations. Future trends and adaptability. Discuss how your business is positioned to adapt to future trends. Show that you're forward-thinking and ready to evolve in response to changing market dynamics. Legal and regulatory compliance. Clearly outline how your business adheres to legal and regulatory requirements, ensuring that investors understand the steps you've taken to mitigate legal risks. Testimonials and user stories. Include testimonials or user stories that add credibility and demonstrate the positive impact of your product or service. Remember to tailor your pitch deck to your specific audience and adjust it as needed based on feedback and the evolving landscape of business and technology in 2024.